Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are doing my April Boxycharm unboxing. I'm sure you guys are getting very familiar with this here on my channel, but if you aren't familiar with how I do it, I do my Boxycharms as a try-on haul kind of a thing. So I've already got some of my makeup on, so that way we can go ahead and just start diving right on into this. So without wasting a whole bunch of time, let's just do that. So of course this is our Boxycharm this month. When you open her up, we have like a booklet thing, which is different than they've done any times in the past. Normally it's just like a little card, so I'm quite excited about this. So on the back of this card there's like a VIP offer for Dr. Brandt for the hashtag pores no more, and a 10% off for Tarte. I will of course put this information in the description box. If any of that seems like something you would like to check out, you can check down there, and I'll have all this information listed below for you guys. Okay, so when you open the little pamphlet this month, the theme, I guess, is eye candy, and we actually have quite a few different influencer girls here on the bottom, and apparently each of these young ladies has picked a product in this box and claimed it as like their favorite of some sort. So of course this is the little pamphlet that tells you each of the products, a little blurb about them, and the prices, which I will let you guys know about as we go on. So jumping right into the products, opening the box up, this is the first thing we're going to pull out. Okay, so this is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Mask. This says, this pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surfaces. I'm not 100% sure if this is particularly full size, but the full size of this product retails for $47. I used this product today before putting on any of my makeup, and I quite like it. It is something I will continue to use. It's like a white, it comes out like a clear jelly with little blue like exfoliating beads in it, and as it dries and it's like sucking to your face, it turns like a white kind of color. I guess let you know, you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes after you've washed your face. It does give you a tingling sensation, so if you don't like that or have very sensitive skin, you probably kind of wouldn't enjoy this product, but I did enjoy it. And I will say that like once you like rinse it off with the warm water and you start patting it dry, your skin feels so cooling. And then I followed it with my moisturizer, and everything I put on top of it was so cool feeling. Even my primer, which I quite enjoyed honestly, and I used my Fenty primer today, and honestly you guys, I feel like my pores are like non-existent. So I really like this. I think this would be something good to use kind of before you put on makeup sometimes, if you really want the appearance of your pores to be like gone. So I quite enjoy this. Next, following along, we're going to pull out this item right here. So this is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. This happens to be in the shade Exposed. Of course, this is pretty much standard explanation. This is a liquid highlighter. Again, I'm not sure if this is full size because I've actually never tried this product, but the full size does retail for $29. Ooh, so that is quite nice. This is the shade Swatched. Again, the shade that I have is Exposed. It's quite nice. Like I've said, I've never tried this product, so we're going to do our best to give it a go today. I have not powdered my face yet, obviously, since this was a liquid product, so I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingertip. That is probably too much in all honesty. We're just going to roll with it, and I'm just going to start kind of like dabbing this. Ooh, yeah, going to kind of split it between two cheeks. Really pretty, and yeah, it blended out nice, thank God. That's one of the reasons I don't really love liquid highlighters, is because if you're not careful, one, they dry too quick and you can't move them around, and then it just looks like a stripe on your face. But this blended out quite nicely, so yeah, that's a good one. Okay, so I went ahead and caught up on the rest of my makeup, and now we can keep moving to the items in the box. Next thing, we're just going to pull out this right here. Okay, so this is something called the Brow Gal. This is an instant tinted eyebrow gel. It says it's a tinted brow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for someone who wants a quick but natural feel to their brows. I'm pretty sure this is full size and it retails for $22. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Let's see if it just says brown hair 02. So I think this is the shade 02, I guess. Ooh, interesting. I did not expect this. It comes with a tiny little like spoolie on there. I don't know why. I thought it would be more like a paintbrush looking kind of item. But that's neat, and it's small, so it looks like it can coat all your hairs. This. I think if you are okay with your brows looking a little bit more like messy and just kind of like feathery, then you'd really like this product too. I'm quite impressed with it actually. For a quick brow, I'm not mad. Okay, now we're going to take the biggest thing in the box, which is this. Whew. So this is the ColourPop Semi-Precious Eyeshadow Palette. This is definitely full size and it retails for $26. Yeah, there's really not much else to say. This is an all shimmer palette. Those are definitely not my best swatches, but those are the shades. I think they're really pretty, quite pigmented actually. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I'm excited to play with this. Okay, so I'm going to quickly create a little eye look. I'm going to kind of speed through this part. I will, of course, point to what I'm using when I'm using it, so that way you guys can know. But let's just go ahead and see what we can come up with. Okay, you guys, that was quick and easy. I will say I thought these were quite nice. This look is pretty dang simple, but I think the colors go well together, so I don't know. The shimmers were really pretty. They were pretty on their own, and then even more so with some Fix Plus. I mean, and they blended really, really nice. And in all honesty, I truly had like no fallout, which is insane. I was really expecting fallout, especially with this kind of like jewel tone looking red color. But really, guys, there was like a little speckle and that was it. So I'm pretty impressed with this. I like that. All right. And then finally, last but not least, we have this product right here that is going to be difficult to get into. Okay, so this is the Adesi. I am not 100% sure. High definition liquid lipstick. This is full size and it retails for $24. This is the color right here. I do like the doe foot applicator. I like that it's kind of flimsy. It's small on both sides and curved. This product is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, which I think is awesome. It says it's a liquid lipstick, but it sure is sticky. It has like a gloss type texture, but we're gonna go ahead and put this on, try it out. Ooh, it smells kind of like vanilla, kind of like cake. The color's pretty. I do like it. I wish it had a name, but it sure doesn't. I do like the wand. The wand is a little flimsier than what most people may be used to, so like you can't get crazy. It really does kind of bend, especially when I was doing the top. I don't mind it. It doesn't really bother me. Okay, you guys, so this is the look that I came up with everything from the box. Let's just do a real quick rundown of everything. So with the vacuum cleaner mask, I really like this. I know that I only used it one time, but with face mask, I think you can kind of tell. So as long as like I just don't start breaking out kind of crazy from it, I think I will enjoy it. I use this solely on my T-zone, of course, where my pores are the largest, and I can honestly say that I saw a quick improvement to my pores. I think my skin looks absolutely amazing right after it, and my makeup has not done anything kind of funky after using this, so I really like this. I will continue to use this one. With the Tarte liquid highlighter, I do not typically go for liquid highlighters, but I was pleasantly surprised by this. I really like the color. Again, mine was in the shade Exposed. I would like to try kind of mixing it in with some of my foundation, maybe on the outer perimeters of my face. I think that would look really pretty. Of course, I have a powder highlight over top of it now, but it didn't seem to kind of move funny and everything layered as I would appreciate it to, so I have to say that I do enjoy this product. Okay, with the Brow Gal eyebrow gel, I like this. It is not for every time I do my brows, but I think for like maybe kind of like a no makeup day kind of a thing, this is really nice. The little spoolie is small, so it's kind of perfect to work with and really grip all your brow hairs. I know sometimes for me, if I have stuff with spoolies that's like a gel, sometimes I'll get excited and it'll like hit me way up here because I'm just like so used to kind of brushing all crazy. This, because it's so small, gave me a lot of control, and so like nothing was kind of weird down here on the ends of my tail. So I will definitely continue to try this out. I really like it. I cannot say that I would like go and I just threw it, but we're gonna keep rolling. I can't say that I would like go and maybe like buy that on my own, because I just like using brow pencils or a brow pomade, but I think it was a nice addition to the box and I will use it up. With the ColourPop Semi Precious Shadows, even though I do not like all shimmer shadows, I don't understand an all shimmer shadow. I prefer like a mixture of mattes and shimmers, or an all matte palette myself. I just find it kind of inconvenient that you have to pair this with something else. However, aside from that, because that's not this palette's fault, I do think the shades in here are really pretty. I do think they are quite creamy. They do not have a lot of fallout, and the kick up wasn't awful either. I think they blended out really nice and had good color payoff, so all in all, I think this is a good palette. Last but not least, for the liquid lipstick, it is not going to be a matte liquid lipstick. I do not know how long this is supposed to last. I will say the color is very pretty. Very full coverage in just one dip inside the tube, one application. The shine is there. If you are a shiny lip product kind of gal or guy, I think you would really like this. I hate that it has no color, but what can you do about it? I will hold on and play with this more. I am more of a matte liquid lipstick girl myself, but the shine is there and it's not sticky, so I appreciate a not sticky lip product myself, so I will continue to use this. I think this is quite nice. Okay, you guys, as always, I did the math, and the total for this month's box is $148, which I think is absolutely insane. You more than make your money back with each box, considering that you only pay $21 a month. I don't know how they do it. It's magic, but I appreciate it. Overall, I think this month's box was really nice. I felt like everything performed like it was supposed to on my initial first impressions. Really no duds for me. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. What was your favorite thing, or if you got anything different. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!